Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can update or upgrade the OS of your Mac or MacBook. So let's begin the tutorial. Here I am on my Mac. So in order to update the OS, it's very simple. All you need to do is to press on the Apple logo on the top left side. You're going to press on about this Mac. So here you can see macOS Catalina is installed on my Mac and its version is 10.15.3. I'm going to press on software update to see whether a new update for Mac is available or not. And you can see macOS Big Sur is available, whose size is around 12.21 GB. So I'm going to press on upgrade now button and it will start downloading the new Mac OS, which is macOS Big Sur. So before you press on this download button, you need to make sure that you have this much space available on your Mac, and you should have a little bit more space as well, so when the installation begins there is no problem. So now it's going to install macOS Big so it's first of all going to download macOS Big Sur on this Mac. So it's going to take some time depending on your internet speed. So I'm just going to fast forward the video until the download is completed. So once the download is complete, you're going to have this big box saying macOS Big Sur or any OS in your case. So we're going to press on the continue button to install this new operating system on our Mac. First of all, we need to agree the license. We're going to select our hard disk on our Mac. We're going to press on continue. We need to enter the lock screen password for this MacBook. Okay. And now it's going to start installing the new Mac operating system on this particular MacBook. So if you have any kind of program open, be sure to close it first before you do this process. So again, this is going to take some time depending on your Mac's specification. So I'm just going to fast forward the video from here. So once that bar would be completed, then your MacBook or Mac will restart itself again and you're going to see this Apple logo. So you don't need to worry about it. It's perfectly normal. And again, this loading bar will continue depending on your MacBook speed. So after all the process, you're going to have your lock screen. So you're going to just enter the lock screen password for your MacBook and it will be unlocked, and you're going to see this desktop which is fully black. So you don't have to worry about it. If you see on the top right side, it says performance may be affected until completed. So it's just going to complete the whole operating system installation. So you really don't need to worry about it. You just need to leave it for around 10 to 15 or 20 minutes and everything will become normal. So after 15 minutes, you can see that everything has now came back to my Mac, as you can see here. So if I go again check my software, you can see that macOS Big Sur is installed, which means that we have successfully upgraded or updated our Mac OS. So this is currently the most latest version available by the time of recording this video. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.